Hello, welcome to Marg ERP Solutions. Today in this video we're gonna talking about how to create purchase bill in Marg Software. Go to Transactions option. Then click to Purchase option. And then click to Bill option and then press Enter button. A purchase entry window will appear. Feed the date in Date field as per the requirement. A Ledgers window will appear. Select Ledger as per the requirement, then press Enter on it. Suppose, select Ahuja Medicine Center. Feed the party number in Party No field as per the requirement. Feed the date in the Date field as per the requirement. Suppose, enter July 9, 2019. Note, in Date field, mention the receiving date of goods. Now the cursor will stop for item selection, then press Enter on it. An Items window will appear. Select Item and then press Enter to load the selected item in bill. A dialog box of available stocks will appear in which software shows all the batch of selected item with current stock. The user needs to define the batch number in Batch field. Feed quantity in the Quantity field as per the requirement. Thereafter, user needs to define the purchase rate of the item. Note, if a user is purchasing the existing item at an existing rate, then there is no need to feed the purchase rate again, as it will automatically be picked by the software in the P rate field. After entering all the necessary details, user needs to save the purchase bill by pressing Ctrl+W on the blank line. A Save Changes window will appear. The user needs to press Enter on Yes to save the changes. After following these steps, the user can create purchase bill easily in Marg Software. If you like our tutorial videos, then please press like button, share this videos to your family and friends, comment your feedback in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Marg ERP Solutions and press the bell icon for more video update. Thanks for watching.